Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So should, sh, ud, would, ud, could, ud, and must, must. So should, like need to do something even though. You should do that even though it's hard. I should record the lesson even though I have other things to do. You should learn English even though it is difficult. Yeah, how cool is that? I should write more. Even though I've got things to do, I really should write more. You should learn more. You should watch more videos. You should watch more videos. How cool is that? And would, yeah, maybe something if. Yeah, I would go to the gym, but it is raining. She would come here, but the rules say she can't. Yeah. I would go there, but it is far away. I would go there, but it's far away. They would be here if. They would know the answer if you had told them. They would know the answer if you told them. Yeah. I would have been there if I had the tools. I would have known what to do if I was there. If I was there, I would have known what to do. Yeah. Yeah. And could. Yeah. Maybe something when. It could work when anything. I could go there when I get the chance. Yeah. We could go to Wales, but we don't want to. Yeah, I have the ability, but no. I could learn Latin. But Spanish is more useful. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, do you think the plans could work? They might work. Yeah, well, maybe it's possible. Yeah. The plans could work, especially if that happens first. So the plans could work if that happens first. They could work if that happens first. They have the ability to work, but it depends on this. Yeah, I could go to the gym early, but I want to finish these videos first. I could go to the gym now, but I need to finish these videos first. How cool is that? Yeah. Must, need to do something. You must listen to them. You must learn more English. Yes. I must learn more Spanish. Yes. Must. Have to. You must, or she must listen to her sisters. They must come here when they get the chance. Yeah, they must come here when they get the chance. I must go there soon. When I go to Glasgow, I must see my friend. Yeah, how cool is that? Must. So, can you use should? Should go there. Would? I would have done so. And could? It might have happened. Yeah. And must in a sentence. can you write them in the comments below, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come, and you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.